Hello, crafty lovelies. I'm Lainey. Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile. That's what I like to say. I do hope you subscribe, and when you do, hit that bell and click all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And you can visit me on my social media at Krafty Lainey. This video is part of Halloween Thrift Flip collab. Also joining me are some fun, talented friends. Sharon at Grace's Neighbor Sharon, Wendy at Wendy's Creative Space, and Tammy at Happiness Creating. You can find the links to the playlists and channels in the description box for more wonderful inspiration. Okay, we're at the Salvation Army. This is what I'm going for stop. I've seen so many different items. Wouldn't these be cute for Christmas? And look at this face. I thought it was funny. But those puffballs, I kept going back to these and thinking, these would be great for a Christmas DIY, right? And this tiny little jug with the little chicken hen, and it had like barbed wire looking print on it with the little cork. I thought that would be so cute on a tiered tray if you have farmhouse. And who could resist this? You guac my world. Look at those little legs. Too cute, too cute. And look at the pumpkins. This is why you bring your brother with you. Always fun to bring second eye. Okay, next we are going to Savers. See what they have for us. Oh my goodness, I went crazy at Savers. I found so many different items, and that STP thing for the car, don't look at that. But everything else, yeah. Curtain rod. I got a little house clock. I have those little stands. Oh, this wooden box is awesome. And yep, I got me a Nancy Drew book. Yep, I'm always looking for these. I'm a big Nancy Drew fan. Yes, I am. Now I decided to do the clock. Oops, excuse my hand right there. I'll move that out of the way. Okay, I decided to use this clock because I thought it'd be cute little haunted house, or make it a little spooky-licious looking clock for my kitchen. And I thought I had these, I'm saying thought a lot, excuse me. I wanted to let you in what's going on in my mind. I wanted to use those Dollar Tree stickers, rub-ons, and I love that this clock already had a plastic cover. It was brand new, and I don't know, I just think it'd be fun to work with. It was regular $11.99 Hannah's, and I got it for $5.99. I know it'd be so worth it once I'm done. I know I'm showing you the door, but that plastic cover doesn't belong to the clock. It's just to protect it. So I thought I'm going to use that when I'm doing this chalk paint in black to paint around it. So I'm just pressing down on that plastic just so it don't go on the face of the clock. And man, oh man, did that make it easy to do. No taping, no removing. I just had to press that plastic down and went around the edges. Perfect. Isn't it great when you get something and it's like makes your life a little easier when you're DIYing? That's what this little plastic thing. I know I'm raving about this little plastic thing, but that's how happy I was that the clock came with this plastic cover on. I decided to use the Waverly chalk paint in the color Cashew to paint the roof of my clock, and kind of, I thought it matched the face of the clock really well, but it gave it a nice clean look, didn't it? So pretty, pretty, pretty. Now it's time to remove that plastic cover. So I just cut the little tape off, what it came with. And then we're just going to remove it. I'm getting my paintbrush really gentle. I did speed the film up so you can tell how slow I was going at this. Just take your time when you do things like this and enjoy what you're doing. Relax and enjoy. Now I'm going to use my painter's pen, and I got this at Walmart. I'm going to use the lines that were already on the roof to kind of guide me. You could see a little bit of it through the paint, and I wanted that so I can go back and do my stripes. Yep, you know me. I love some Tim Burton. I kind of visualize Tim Burton. His lines are never perfect, if you ever notice how he does things. And I love that. And I'm also big Addams Family fan. And you see the stripes, they're never perfect. But if you want them perfect, all you need is some painter's tape and lay it down lines perfectly and then paint your black. And voila, you will have straight lines. Now I got some more of that black, and you see me wipe it with the rag. And then I just lightly brushed on top and, dry brushing on that top of that roof. Now I get my painter's pen, and I'm just going to make any old lines in their stripes. And I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing. Again, if you want it perfect, just put some tape down on things like this. But for me, I like to just wing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. When you're redoing things, it's always to what you want. Remember that. It's what makes your eyes smile and your heart sing. I say it in every video because to me, that is the most important thing. I'm here to inspire you, but when you create from your heart. Remember that. What makes your eyes smile. Now for the door and for the grass area, I used the Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint in Fiddlehead Fern. Yeah, that's the name of it. Fiddlehead Fern by Folk Art. It's home decor chalk paint. And it is such a pretty, unique color. Kind of reminds me of Beetlejuice now, the house. And then for the top of this little shelf area part, I used pumpkin. And that is from Hello Hobby chalk paint from Walmart. For the top of the door, I chose to use Folk Art acrylic paint in the color lavender. And now I'm just going to make a little spider web. I thought it would look cute on the top corner of that door. Now let it set and dry. Once it's all dry, I'm going to add these little rub-on decals from Dollar Tree. I cut them all out so I can see where I wanted to place them. They're one of my favorite things to get at the Dollar Tree because they're so easy to use and they always look so nice once you add them to your project. I was having so much fun decorating this clock now with these rub-ons. Like I said, you just cut them all out and you put them before you scratch them on there and see if that is where you want them to stay. But oh yeah, this was a lot of fun. You can always tell when these rub-ons are ready to be lifted. After you scratch on them, it turns kind of a light color. And then you just get something, I always use either tweezers or this little needle nose and lift up the plastic slowly. And then if there's anything that is still sticking to the plastic, all you do is lay it back down, scratch it a little more, and then pick it right back up and peel. These little ghosties were absolutely adorable. I thought they would look so cute coming out of that door, welcoming you to their little haunted house. Here's a perfect example. My rub-on didn't stick all the way, so I laid the plastic right back down, scratched that area, and then it lifted right up. Now I was going to use those pumpkins right here from Dollar Tree, but I decided to use these Walmart mice icing. I thought they were perfect for the clock, and they also had a little skeleton one. So cute. I thought they would really look cute on these little shelves. So I just added some hot glue to the bottom of the mice and just added them right there on the shelf on that clock. And then I put the skeleton one on the very top. I do go over the whole clock with Mod Podge just so it seals the paint. It's my Halloween version of, what is that rhyme? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Or is it hickory dickory talk, the mouse ran up the clock? I don't know. Let me know in comments what the real rhyme is. I'm kind of confused on that, but I know it's in something in that lines. But that's my version of it. I did add some of the little stripes, I guess, or little block squares on the edge of the top of the roof. Right there where the mouse, right there in the front, to kind of match the shelf front. But I am so happy with this clock, in love with it. And look at those cute little ghosties and pumpkins grins on the pumpkins. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for you today, Crafty Lovelies. Give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your kindness. I'd like to thank you, Crafty Lovelies, also for all your lovely comments and all the love you have shown me. Thank you so much. It was my pleasure crafting with you, Crafty Lovelies, today. I do hope you subscribe, and don't forget, hit that bell and click all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. You can visit me on my social media at Crafty Leanie. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes, my Crafty Lovelies. Be kind to yourself and others. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video.